In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google AdSense address for your YouTube AdSense account. Now this process is pretty straightforward and I'll guide you through each step in a simple and easy to follow manner. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Google AdSense website, which you can easily find by searching for Google AdSense in your web browser. Once the page loads, you'll want to sign into your account. Simply look for the Sign In button, usually located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it and log in with your Google credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to the Google AdSense homepage. This is where you manage all your AdSense activities. Now find and click on the Payments tab, which is usually placed in the left-hand menu. This is a crucial part of the process as it focuses on how you receive your earnings and update related information. After you've clicked on the Payments tab, you'll see a section labeled Payments Info. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. Here, you'll have visibility of all your payment details, including transaction history and any actions related to your payment information. The next step involves clicking on Manage Settings. This section is where you can make changes to how you receive payments, update accounts, and of course change your address. Once you click on this, you'll be presented with several options, but for our goal today, you'll need to look for Address. Click on Address to enter the editing mode. You will now have access to update your address details. It's important to ensure that your address is entered correctly to avoid any issues with payment processing or account verification. Once you've updated your address information, make sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button, which is usually located at the bottom of the page. This confirms your new address in the AdSense system. Double check that your address details are correct and reflect your current or preferred mailing address before finalizing the updates. And there you have it. That's how you can change your Google AdSense address for your YouTube AdSense account. It's important to regularly update your address details whenever they change, ensuring your account continues to run smoothly and payments are received without any hitches. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Google AdSense support for assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.